It gives way. The corrosion is deep, but the metal underneath is still strong.
The old girl needed some serious love. Lots of rust, lots of patches, but we're getting there. The filler is applied, smoothed out, and it's looking good.
You've got to make sure you get all the surface rust off before applying the filler. Now we just smooth it out to prepare for priming.
Welcome to the restoration process. Today, we begin sandblasting the vehicle's chassis to remove decades of rust and prepare it for painting. The restoration is progressing well. We need to ensure complete rust coverage before the final coat. Let's do another pass down the length here. The chassis is now ready for the application of the primary primer layer, ensuring maximum adhesion and corrosion.